I'm Ron from Coleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivable integrated with NetSuite. Today I will walk you through how to print a single credit memo in NetSuite, and in another video I show you how to print multiple credit memos at once. What you will do is to go to Transactions, Customers, Issue Credit Memos, List. Here you have two options. Option number one, you click on Print. It will open the credit memo PDF into your browser, and then you can just click here in Chrome in the top right. Option number two is to go here and click on View. Once you are on the page of the credit memo, you first please subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorial, and then you can go on this print icon that will do exactly the same as I've just shown you with the print button in the list view. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, please give a like to this video on YouTube and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Bye bye.